Hi, friends. Can you say bee bee bumblebee like a bird? Ready, go. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Stung a man upon his knee. Stung a pig upon his snout. I declare that you are out. I have a secret to tell you. In music, when we have a voice like a bird, we don't call it bird voice. We actually call it high. Can you say hi? Or we can use our high voice and go, hi. Can you say hi? Good. Say bee bee bumblebee in your high voice. Ready, go. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Stung a man upon his knee. Stung a pig upon his snout. I declare that you are out. Very good. Can you say it in a bear voice now? Ready, go. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Stung a man upon his knee. Stung a pig upon his snout. I declare that you are out. In music, when we say something like a bear, we don't call it bear voice. We actually call it low. Can you say low? Or we can use our low voice and say low, say low. Say bee bee bumblebee in your low voice. Ready, go. Bee, bee, bumblebee. Stung a man upon his knee. Stung a pig upon his snout. I declare that you are out. Very good. So from now on, I'm not going to say bird and bear voice anymore. If I ask you, you now have to say hi or low. Can you say hi? Can you say low? Very good. So let's say another chant in our high voice. Let's do Queen, Queen Caroline. Ready, go. Queen, Queen Caroline washed her hair in turpentine. Turpentine to make it shine. Queen, Queen Caroline. Say Zapatito Blanco in your bear voice. Oh, it's not bear voice anymore. What do we call it? Low is correct. Good job for fixing Miss Wilson's mistake. Say Zapatito Blanco in your low voice. Ready, go. Zapatito Blanco, Zapatito Azul. Dime cuántos años tienes tú. Very good, boys and girls. I'll be back next week to check on your high and low voices. Bye-bye.